Hello, if you want to adjust gestures of the touch sensors on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, first of all you have to select them in the Huawei AI Life application. Next we have to scroll down to the gestures, and right here we've got the option to pinch once or pinch twice for the calls, and we can simply turn it off. When you got not on the call, so to adjust the media for sure, you can also turn it off from pinch once, pinch twice, or pinch three times. When you go to the pinch and the hold, you can adjust the gestures for the left and the right earbud. So on the left one we can, for example, switch from the noise control to the wake voice assistant, and on the right one we can, for example, turn them off. Or if you want to use the noise control, we can, for example, get rid of the awareness mode if you don't like to use it. You will only be able to switch between the noise cancellation and the off option. And on the swipe we got the adjust volume, so we can simply turn it off. And yeah, that's the only way that you can adjust the gestures on this device. That's all for this video. Bye bye.